Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to create a website for free, how to get a free domain and how to get a free host. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. First we have to go to a website which helps us to create our website. I will put the link in the description for that. Then go to it. When you go to it, click on register now and type there your email and type a password and click here. After doing they will send the email for us. Then check your email and there you can see my email. Then click on active account. Now there click on create new account. Now there you have to type your website name. Now there you can see my website name is available. If you want to change this part of your website, just you have to click on there. You can see this part because this is a free domain. Now we have got our free domain. Now click here. Now click on manage. Now there click on control panel. Now click on I approve. Now we have to install WordPress. For that, go to bottom and find softwares. Under softwares, go to app installer. Now choose here WordPress and click on install. Give your username and after we have to type here our password. Then type your password. Now go to bottom and choose this according to you. Once you enter these details, go to bottom and click on install. Then you can see it is checking. After that, you can see this WordPress is successfully installed to our website. Now there we can see our website link. It means our website is live on internet. To check it, click on Not. Now this is our website. Now you can see our website name also. Now we have finished building our website. Now we have to customize our website. For that, first we have to log into our website. For that, after your website link, type here /wp-admin and click on enter and type here your username and password. And click on login. From here you can control your website. Let's see how to change your website. For that, go to appearance and go to themes. And there click on add new theme. Now search here a theme called Astra. Now select that and click on install. Wait until installing. Now click on active. Now we have installed our Astra theme. Now click on get started. Wait until activating. Now click on Elementor. Now here you can find different kind of website design. Now choose the one you like. Now import this cable to your site. Click on import complete site. Now click on skip and import. Now tick all of these and click on import. Now fill these details. After fill these details, click on submit and start importing. Now click on new site. Now there you can see your site. Now you can see categories of your site also. Let's see how to edit the content in our website. Let's think you have to edit home page. Then click on it and go to there. Click on edit page. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now you can change any of these text like that. Select it and type your words from there. Now you can change these also. There you can change these icons. From there you can upload the icon from your PC. And after upload it, click on insert media. Now I am not going to upload this. You can change this also in your website. And you can change this page of your website also. Like that. Click on it and there you can see this image. From this bin you can remove this page. And after from there you can get an image from your PC. You can remove this also. Like that you can remove this also in your website. Like that you can customize your website. There you can see your website review of your desktop size. This is desktop size and this is the tablet size, and now this is the mobile size. Now you can see your website has changed. Let's see how to add the new page in your website. Then you click on new and go to page. Then there type a title to your page. And there you can change the font size. Like this also you can change. And click on publish. And click on publish and there you can see post a comment. Like that you can do here anything in your website. And this is the preview of your website. That I will prove you is your website is in the internet. I have copied my website link, then I will paste it and click on enter. Now you can see this is my website. This is live on internet. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video.